Hey guys, so this is Knorr's brand of tomato bouillon. This one does have the chicken flavor with it, so it's actually going to be a tomato chicken flavor. So I have a smaller container of this because I don't use it very often as compared to the chicken or the beef, but I just want to kind of go ahead and show that to you there so that you can see what it looks like. This is really great for soups that have a tomato base. So if you're making like a spaghetti sauce, or if you're making some sort of tomato type of soup, let's say you're making like a potato with tomato type of soup, you can actually add this and it'll give you more of that tomato flavor without having to add a whole can of tomato sauce or tomato paste. You can actually just use this. You're basically going to use 1 teaspoon for every cup of water. And you're going to add that to your soups. Now, this does not substitute for tomato sauce. It's not thick like a tomato sauce. It's going to be a liquid. So if you're needing to use a chicken broth, but you want it to have more of a tomato flavor, then this is what you would use. So I just wanted to go ahead and show that to you so that you could see what it looked like on the inside.